I got a box. I got a box. I got a box. It's a review. What's up, my Radiant babes? Okay, so it has been a hot minuet since we have done a video, since we've conversed, but fret not no mo. Whoa, because today we are doing a review. So you guys already know from one of my previous videos before I showed you guys that I am a certified dental assistant trying to get into dental school, and it's tough, like, oh my body. Anywho, so I wanted to do a review on a toothbrush that I saw on Amazon. It's an electric toothbrush and it's $20. Yeah, you heard me. $20. So today I'm gonna do a review on Sonic Power. Why are we out of focus? Bro. G7. You're killing me, man. Focus. There you go. This toothbrush! Sonic Power toothbrush. I don't know what that says. Not at all. But I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. That was a tongue piercer. God, that was weird. You're welcome. I already busted it open because, like I told you guys before, well, I haven't busted it open per se, but I cut the little tape here because, like I said before, I don't like struggling on camera. It takes too long and I don't want to have to keep cutting all this stuff out. So this is what it looks like opening out the box. Yep, slide in. Yeah, there's that. Here is the manual that I'm pretty sure nobody reads, but it's there for you if you need it. All right, so this toothbrush comes with travel case, the charger, some other toothbrushes, 1, 2, 3, 4 toothbrushes, and I'm assuming that the toothbrush itself, well, the handle on it at least, is in this doohickey because it's quite heavy. It's plastic. So you also get 2 more brushes in here. That's spiffy. I hope this thing has some charge on it because I was really hoping on brushing my teeth tonight. All right, well, let's bust open. That's what I be talking about when I said I don't like struggling on camera. This is what I mean. Just, we got it. All right, so let's just attach you on like so and oil. Well, we know that it works. All right, so there's a green light. Well, there was a green light. There's a green light here. I'm assuming that that means we got some good charge. These other buttons here, clean, soft, whiten, massage, polish. I'm assuming that just goes for the amount of pressure that you want to use on the toothbrush. I know in my Oral-B, it has something like that, but instead it shows figures because they're fancy pants. Tomato, I don't really care as long as you get the job done. So, also, another thing I'm gonna be reviewing, which is so funny because I completely forgot about this and it's been like 6 months. I hope this is still good, but I can't tell because it's in Japanese. I got this toothpaste when I was in Japan from the Daiso store, and yeah, we're gonna try this one out too while we got it. So it's like a double review. You're welcome. Hit you with a double whammy. Whoa. I really thought that was cool when I did it in my head, but I'm pretty sure when I'm editing this video, it's not gonna be as cool as I thought. Anywho, so I went ahead and placed the toothpaste on there. It doesn't take a lot of toothpaste. I like toothbrush heads like that don't take a lot of toothpaste. 1, because you don't need a lot of toothpaste to brush your teeth. 2, it saves you toothpaste. So the charger itself comes like this. It looks like a standard charger that you would also get with a Philips Sonicare toothbrush. This looks like a basic charging port that you can get with your Philips Sonicare toothbrush. I still don't know what that says. Like I said, the link is in the description down below. So let's not get nippy and technical. Yeah, and don't come for me in the comments. Yeah, don't do that. We won't be friends. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it on clean and we're gonna test this bad boy out. All right, here we go. Ready? Okay, it's actually not bad. It reminds me a lot of the Philips Sonicare. Okay. Okay, and this toothpaste, it tastes like a mint bubble gum. A Hubba Bubba bubble gum and a spearmint. It's weird, but I'm digging it. Okay. Let's see what whitening feels like. So the whitening one feels more like a micro vibration. It's more, it's faster. I hope that when you guys brush your teeth, you brush the back of your teeth, because if you don't, you're nasty. You know how when you're brushing your teeth, you make that weird smile? That was mine. Let's see what polish feels like. All right, so all things considered, I think this, oh look! We found the name, Atmoko. Okay, so maybe that's what that actually is, Atmoko, but they were just so fancy pants, you know, that we couldn't really read that part right there. Don't come for me. I have to say, this is a pretty flipping good toothbrush for $20. Like, I feel good. It reminds me of the Philips Sonicare toothbrush that you get, you know, the double pack toothbrush that you get when you go to Costco and you see the one that's on sale and it's like $20 off, whatever. That is the toothbrush I'm talking about. And this is just like it for $20 on Amazon. Link in the description down below. I don't know if it's still $20. It was $20 when I got it. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at you, Atmoko. I'm not mad at you. You gave me something new. The material, as far as it being $20, is, you know, what you pay for. It's like a plasticky type of metal or whatever. But remember, you're not buying the toothbrush for fancy stuff. You're buying the toothbrush to get a cleaner mouth, better oral hygiene, cleaner teeth, whatever, and this does the job. So yeah, I would definitely keep this toothbrush as, you know, like a travel toothbrush, a backup toothbrush. I'm still madly in love. Ooh, almost died. Almost dropped it, but it wasn't on purpose, I promise. But it's not bad at all. And another thing that I really like about this is the case. The case, I have to say, is actually pretty considerate. Like, they actually care about you when they made this case, because here is the actual case itself. This is a travel case. You can keep it at home, you can keep it on your shelf, you can travel with it. Bam, we all got that, right? Perfect, we're here. Now, this part right here is what made me fall even more in love, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because normally with a toothbrush case, they do not have this feature, but they have a little area right here where your toothbrush actually goes. And when you lay it on the counter or however and whatnot, whatever makes you feel more comfortable, this part right here has holes in it to let air come through, to air out your toothbrush, so that does not get all moldy looking, smelling toothbrush mixture type of odor that you end up putting back in your mouth to brush your teeth. No, you don't get that. You know what you get? An air out toothbrush that does not smell like mildew old toothpaste. I know you guys have been there with me before, and then you end up having to throw the toothbrush out because you don't want that smell in your mouth. Nobody wants that smell in your mouth. You might as well keep your morning breath. But we're not doing that because we're great people. We're clean people. We are on level 9,000. So, Atmoko, you came through on this case. You came through on this case. Like I said, they also give you 6 toothbrush heads. That's over a year, I want to say, worth of toothbrushes. With, I mean, I'm assuming with these toothbrushes, I know with Oral-B, they say you can last up to 6 months, I believe, with their toothbrush heads. However, I don't go that long. I do like, I don't know, maybe 2 months before I throw it out. 3 months if I'm feeling froggy. You feel me? I'll give it a shot. But normally it's about 2 months. Okay, so I did notice when I was brushing my teeth, if I stayed in one area too long, it gave me like a double buzz. It was like a zzz, and it would pause and then it would start up again. So I guess that's like informing you to, hey, you need to go to another section because you here too long. But this one, if they are the same, you got a long time with these toothbrushes, because normally toothbrushes last you a long time, not the manual ones, but these, because they do majority of the work for you. So it's less pressure that you're putting on your teeth. Bam, there we go. So yeah, there you have it. You can also check the link if you're feeling independent. I also write little love notes to you guys in the description, but I don't think you guys really read them. I put like serious thought into them because you never know who you're gonna reach or whatever, but that's neither here nor there. Anywho, shout out to my comment winner. Thank you so much for being the realest MVP. You are the greatest. That wasn't the toothbrush though. Oh, as far as the toothpaste goes, I don't think it's bad. It gives you a very clean feel. I mean, it's not a Colgate, it's not a Crest, it's not even an Arm & Hammer, but she do it. I feel clean, I don't feel stripped. I feel, you know, I feel good. It's like, I feel good. So yeah, she didn't have a strong flavor. I don't have a bad aftertaste. However, it doesn't feel like I have that really good, like clean, the way that Crest or Colgate would give me. But she does the job and I like it. So yeah, thank you so much, Sunstar, or a 2-stripe paste. You did it for me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you liked it, you connected, and I gave you a bit of insight. If you have any questions about this toothbrush, comment down below, let your mama know. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video with me. I know that I have not been posting the way that I said I have. I have been recording videos. I'm recording like in bulk. It's just editing. It takes my life. Editing takes so long. Hot business, Lord. But I will get to it for you guys eventually. So yeah, I don't have anything else to say. So since we're done, see you guys in the next one.